Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, both Sinus came in the building, like, comment and subscribe. What go on peeps? Are we there with another?
Shiny
Brand new
enduring.
banger.
Sing song Makailo. Yes, a shiny enduring. Hold
Another
up and
one.
she go a shiny enduring. Sha la 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 la.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Banger! But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, we'll kick off the first video now, but right before we get tonight, gamers, remember so we'll make the shift right now. From this main page, go to the new rebooted Sinus gaming page. This is for my gaming people. 8,000 away. It's on the platform, yeah, separate apart from the entertainment peeps. So, I put the link down here, so please click that link there, go over on the new page. Yeah, make we get things bubbling and kick off. Alright? Appreciate all my gamers people and my entertainment peeps.
I'm not pregnant, I was tricking you guys. Trick me did that trick, you know. You don't know joke. You can't take a joke. Look how much time them trick me. Trick me what and all tell me say Shorty a call me. And make me talk to Shorty and another Shorty. So me can't trick you no one time. The one time me trick you no one come kill me. One time me trick you no one come kill me. You don't go here, you don't get tricked. Figure you know all Addy in it too. All Addy get tricked, you know. All Addy get tricked to rascal. Addy say my godfather. The whole of they get tricked. Every single body get tricked. All the media get tricked too. Yeah man, that's how me do it, man.
Me no know what you think. I think Elijah tell or something happen. Why she come out and say she not pregnant or it was a trick from day one. I don't know. What you think? Make me know what go on. Comment down there so. Something in a something. Me no know. Who make me know still? That look kinda funny. If you look on the picture, that look like she pregnant still, but she say it was a trick and all them thing there. I guess a fat.
Bruh.
Because me not about my inches. Rasa, do you hear little girls singing that? There's why you do it, John Crow?
Yo, Amari. You really know how to clout chase. We must give you that applause. But you realize say no spice never look on you.
Oh!
So all the shades them here through. All the shades them here through. And she said a while ago if when you see no little girl out the road I sing inches. Actually, be a girl I sing inches. More than Nico right now. Nico kinda inches ago. Every woman I sing inches and the song bad. So just I say they on the street. But anyway my friend. Just be careful. You know what I mean? Just be careful. I know you want the clout and the thing. Just be careful. This guy by the name of White Chocolate. So I need to explain this to you. Apparently it's a white youth where love soca music and him always all over the place and yeah, him have a little talent still when it come on to the whining with girl and him can bubble and do him thing. You know what I mean? So him apparently build a name off of that for himself. Clearly as you can see the little video up here so and the woman them love him off. So him get big now, him get a little famous, you know what I mean? So they did an interview with him, and right now I'm kinda get a little burnout still. Make you watch it and then me react to it.
Yeah, I could. But the thing is with what I do, it's obviously just a dance move. So whining is part of Caribbean culture and it's been there for years, right? What I did was basically come and brand it in a way like,
Bitch, what?
so not brand whining, but as in like,
He like, stop there.
it's just like turn it into something that can be a profession.
You stupid.
So I'm not gonna say before me, because there was people before me, but it never got to that.
Writers. I was the first.
Yeah, right. So I think in a way I have been paving a way for black people to come after me, and
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy?
Batty boy.
Bitch, what?
You hear the man say a while ago? The man say he has been paving a way for black people. And earlier in the interview, he said, whining has been our thing, Caribbean people thing, for all its existence. Our thing that when they talk about soca music, when they talk about whining like that, that thing a come from Africa. So I don't know how him reach down to the conclusion, they say, because of him whining and him get little famous or fight, him a pave way for we black people. I always tell people you need to be careful for yourself on TV. Better him did say, when he come on to male whining, him kind of open up a little door in terms of his specific art, what him do. Because apparently he must have a whining studio and teach woman for whine like that or people for go and think. So right now white chocolate you get burned out for that. You know what I mean? And Jamaica burn you out for that. You never pave no way for we, for black people in terms of that.
Billy, get out that camera. Billy, get out that camera. Billy, get out that camera. Mistakenly, get out the camera. Mistakenly. Pork rind, y'all stop. Get out the camera. I'm not gonna keep telling y'all the same thing over and over again. Hard-headed ass taps. No, don't make me get my belt. Billy, come over here. Mistakenly, get out that damn. See y'all do. I'm finna go. Don't make me get my switch, boy. Get both of y'all get out the camera. Why ain't neither one of y'all chaps listening to morning? It's too damn early for this. Get out that camera. Pork rind, and I don't know what you over there whispering about, but you can go on ahead too. Get out that damn camera. I'm whooping y'all ass when I get finished with y'all ass. I'm whooping y'all ass because y'all hard-headed as hell. Billy, that...
The goat named Billy. The other goat named mistakenly. And the pig named Pork Rind. What is happening here? So the cow named Mula Pasa.
Bruh. And people still are dying.
TGF that.
On a still are dying.
My first question is, people, why is there a big tarpaulin over TGIF? Our rain flying things, the roof a leak. We don't know what happened. But anyway, on a serious note, it look like people still are dying in a TGIF still. During this big C moment, which you're not supposed to do. Because they can see car park up and so that they must say on the streets. Based on what the streets are say. You know what I mean? And some people are say people got to eat and stuff like that. Pick up and go. Now I love TGIF, but this is not safe. You see what me I chat? You see what me I tell everybody? Everybody thinks the big C is done. The big C is not done. 4,000 odd cases now. One heap of other people dead. I never remember how much people dead. At the rate it are going right now, and more people just are dead. Okay? 4,000 odd cases now. Rapidly increasing every day. And them people there, they in a TGIF, in a AC are dying. For what? Money. Now my question is, when everybody dead off, who are going to spend the money?
Oh my god.
My man get knocked. Sleep out and comfy dinner this evening. Your blood clot, yo. Story it! Oh! Oh!
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them video there and thing today. Happy Friday to you. Big up on yourself. And remember peeps, please gamers, click the link down below, down there so. Yeah. Click the link and subscribe to the new rebooted Sinus Gaming page. Alright? Because Sinus Gaming is the core of this movement. Sinus brand is gamer thing, but you don't know entertainment is a part of it, and as I say, I separate the two. Please click down there so support me back on the new page. I could build back right there so everybody can have them fun. Gamers on one side, entertainment peeps on one side. Alright? Thank you very much. But one thing about the video though, Amari want more attention. She throw shades at Spice again. Lisa Hype say she not pregnant. I kind of look away. Still, me not say nothing. Still not look away. You know what I mean? Woman a feed her cow, and I call the cow Billy. I never remember the rest of them name. That stupid thing there still. I don't know about that. I don't hate it. So I wouldn't know. You know what I mean? And when Mr. White Chocolate say, Mr. White Chocolate, you go low. Watch where you say on the people them interview, you will get yourself in trouble. Because remember where you learn and where you do are from black people. Our history, our style, our everything. Tick, 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 are our thing. Here? But anyway, peeps, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you later. Let's go on journey with your boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.